everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your TesterUp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in TesterUp.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official webpage of TesterUp.com. To log into your existing account, click on the Sign In Now button appearing on the bottom of the screen. You can also log in with your Facebook account and your Google account. Or, if you've previously signed up using the email option, you'll need to do the same over here. Go ahead and type in your email address associated with TesterUp. Also, make sure to type in your password on the next field that you previously created. If you don't remember your password or your email address, you can click on this link over here and follow through the prompts in order to look for your email address or with your password. After filling in both your email and password, click on Login with Email Address button and you will be able to log in or sign in to your TesterUp account within a few minutes. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.